Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on generational communication. Question is, how will I lead? Kit, since I took my first job, it has always been my way or hit the highway. Top down, boss says so. It's different now, more complicated, more nuanced. So now how do I lead this new workforce that's invading my organization? Yes, some changes will probably need to be made. Yesterday, problem solving was just for those with expertise and for others to follow standard operating procedures. Tomorrow, we'll need to be prepared to improvise due to many first time and first ever issues and challenges. We'll be dealing with a bunch of new people too, regularly. Studies show a little more than 90% of the youngest generation employees expect to stay with the organization for less than 3 years. Yesterday, decision-making was made at the top and the team was informed of the decisions. Tomorrow, teams will need to be consulted, involved, and persuaded to take action. Instead of siloed departments, we will use collaborative teams to solve problems, whether customer needs, product launches, or entering new markets. Yesterday, legitimate authority was based upon position rules and change of command. Tomorrow, a significant amount of authority will be based on talent, respect, influence, and negotiated agreements. Our leadership and management style may need to change from authoritarian and directive to more coaching and teaching and discussion. I suggest starting a mentorship program right away and encouraging retiring employees to document the ins and outs of their jobs and start incorporating that information into creating relevant training courses. Hey, documenting the ins and outs of my job will take quite a bit of time. I'm so vital, I'm so valuable, and being someone's mentor makes me feel old. Hey, I know, my new goal, Mentor of the Year. I better get started writing things down right away. This will take a while. So the question was, how will I lead? With purpose, like always. Now the purpose is to sustain the past successes and guarantee for the next generations the same success. If you recognize that some leadership and management practices need to change, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will create a presentation to bridge the gap. Check back to welchlin.com regularly for a new video blog.